In this video, we're going to show you how to use two natural ingredients you should have lying around your home, baking soda and vinegar, to treat toenail fungus. I'll also show you at the end of the video how to find more really great natural remedies like this. If you have nail fungus, you'll know generally it'll start off as a white or yellow spot on the tip of the nail. As it begins to develop, the nail may become thickened, brittle, crumbly, ragged, change shape, become darker in color, or get dull. If the nail starts to separate from the nail bed, it can be quite uncomfortable. Without treatment, toenail fungus can go on indefinitely. Baking soda is not fungicidal, so it does not kill the fungus. However, it will prevent fungus from growing and spreading. The reason it acts like this is because it's alkaline, the opposite of acidic, and fungi prefer a more acidic environment. It seems counterintuitive then that using vinegar to kill nail fungus would be a good idea, but vinegar is a fairly weak acid. It'll help kill off the fungus without altering the pH of the environment in a harmful way. So, this remedy will be really effective in killing off fungus. To make it, you'll need 4 to 5 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 cup of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 2 bowls of water to soak your feet in, and finally a small towel. So the first thing to do is mix 1 cup of your chosen vinegar with enough water to soak your feet in. Soak for 15 minutes, and then pat dry with a towel. Follow this by adding several tablespoons of baking soda to another bowl of water large enough to soak your feet in, and soak for another 15 minutes. After this, pat dry your feet completely dry with a towel. Do this twice a day, and over time the vinegar will kill off the fungus, whilst the baking soda will then stop the growth of more.